All right, hey, what's going on? Showing with me, Todd.
And Tara.
And we got the boy.
The
we
boy.
made it to our destination. We're at Assateague. On the way in, you'll see some horses. So I'm going to play that video right now first. And then you'll see from all the other places that we go. He's not allowed on any of the trails. Excuse me. He's not allowed on any of the trails or anything. It's extremely windy out, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear us. I did bring my microphones. I'm not sure how good they're going to be. So let's get started. right. Very windy, very, very cold outside.
Oh, yes.
We did see a couple horses. I hope you saw some horses. I hope this microphone here is working good. But we're going to drive around here a little bit and see if we can see some more horses and stuff. He's covered in sand. Yeah. He did a roll and then tried to bury his face in the sand and had sand all over his head.
Yeah, so. He did. He's silly.
You enjoyed it, didn't you? I think he enjoyed it.
I think he did. He loves this windy, cold weather.
He does. I think he liked the sand too. But anyways, let's quit gabbing and get started.
Going.
Yeah, get going. Here's another look. We stopped in this other parking lot here. There's an island over there. And then looking out her side, looks pretty dark over that way. All right. So I think we're gonna head back down to the very beginning and take a look at some other stuff. Everywhere we go, we bring the crowds.
We sure do.
We parked up along that fence. There wasn't one car there, and within a couple seconds, there's like 6 or 7 cars, which is still okay, but it's just funny. Everywhere we go, we always bring the crowds.
Every time.
Every time. All right, we made a pit stop right off, I guess we're right across from the Assateague Island National Seashore Visitor Center. So that's right across the street here. So there that is. There's a parking lot here, I guess for boaters and stuff like that. Verazona Bridge, I believe that is. I believe that's what the name of that is. You can walk across, not this side here, but on the other side of the street, there's a walking path to go over to the other side of the bridge. Very windy and choppy still. So we're going to go down here and take a look at the water real quick one more time. someone's a little cold.
Yeah, little bit. I am freezing.
We're gonna head back to the car now.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's gonna do it for the day.
The boy is tired.
Yeah, he's back tired. Oh, he's a little moody right now because he wants to go back and roll in the sand some more.
Yeah.
He's covered in sand. My driver's seat's just plastered in sand. The back's plastered in sand. We have a blanket back there, but it's just full of sand. Because he did a dive and a roll, or a roll and a dive, or whatever, in the sand.
He did.
It was so fun. She's tired, so I think the salt air is making her tired.
It's making me very sleepy.
That's what she said. So I want to thank you anyhow for joining us. Hopefully everything came out okay. Hopefully the audio is good. If not, then
we apologize.
I apologize. And well, you already seen the video, so there'll be music in it. So have a great day. Remember to treat yourself and others with kindness, and we will catch you in the next one, my friend.
Bye.